Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm back with a quick little step-by-step of me installing a 613 super duper blonde wig for the very first time. So if you want to see how I achieved this IG look, you know what to do. Keep watching. So of course, I wanted to make sure that I got that yellowish tone out of this wig. As beautiful as this bob was, I've never worn a completely blonde wig, and I didn't want to start on the more yellow the side of things. So what I did was put equal parts hot boiling water and lukewarm water in my container with that good old purple shampoo, and just kind of swish the wig around in there until it was no longer as yellow as it came in the package. Now, as you can see from the title of this video, I did pick this 613 bob wig up from WigginsHair.com. It's my first purchase from WigginsHair.com, and I must say I'm absolutely pleased with everything from the construction to the lace and all of that, the volume and everything. So I was really excited to share this one with you guys, but it's safe to say, well, no, I'll keep that for the end. Alright, so you know the routine. I got super oily, greasy hair on my hairline. So I'm just adding my bold hole skin prep and just prepping that skin area for the 2 to 3 layers of adhesive I'm going to be adding to the closure part of this wig. Now, yikes. Yeah, first impression, like I said, this is my first time trying blonde hair, and I mean, I figured it was too late to turn back, so let's keep going. Now, I'm always pressing my lace into my adhesive once it's placed down and it turns clear, because for me, it personally gives me a much better melt. It gives me a much better lay down, and I'm going to tie it down a little bit later in the process, but I just want to show you how I usually adhere the lace to the part of my hairline where the glue is added, and I kind of go ahead and press it in so I get that seamless scalp melt. Okay, I'm almost done, and of course, just another part of the meltdown process is making sure that I tie my wig down and just add a little heat to it, because like I said, I'm trying to serve scalp. I'm not really a closure wig kind of girl, but I'm going to commit to it. I'm going through it with my hot comb, and later on you'll see me using my flat iron to get that very blunt bob cut look with this wig. Okay, now that my meltdown is just about complete, I'm about to take my tiny scissors and just cut that excess lace off of my hairline in a zigzag shape. That just helps me achieve a more natural hairline look without risking that infamous moon shape. So I'm going to finish it off by masking that transparent lace in the front and in my part with some matching foundation, just to give it a little blend a little further. And pretty much that's it, y'all. Um, After this video, I really got into this look and started playing with it a little bit more. It turned out way better than I expected. Not just because of the install, but also how it turned out on my complexion. So I was really excited about this. Well, friend, thank you once again for clicking play on my video. I hope this little mini step-by-step process helped you a little bit. And if you like how it turned out, let me know in the comments below.